Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Neera and today it's bedroom makeover time. So this has been one of the most requested videos on my channels. बहुत सारे लोगों ने comments में लिखा था that they wanted to see a bedroom makeover. I had also done a poll on my Instagram wherein 100% of y'all said that you were excited for the bedroom makeover. So that's what we're doing today. So, shuru kare. As you can see, this room is completely blank right now. I just have my bed sitting in the middle of the room. The wardrobes that you see in this room are built in and we cannot change them. So the goal is to make this room a really calm and relaxing space in my home. Let's quickly first bring in all the furniture pieces and then we can get to decorating. So I got these two nightstands for my room. I'm sorry, it's a little echoey right now. You won't believe I got these from Meesho. These are completely black and wooden and have like a rattan thing in front with pretty gold knobs. So let me put these in the space and then I'll show you how they look. आई एम ब्रिंगिंग इन दिस बेंच. तो इस रूम में ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा स्टोरेज है. मुझे और कुछ फर्नीचर पीस रख के स्टोरेज बढ़ानी नहीं थी. So that is why I thought of putting a bench. Next up, I'm bringing in a plant. It's an artificial plant. This room doesn't get direct sunlight, so keeping a natural plant would be killing it. So that is why I got an artificial one. This is the plant, and that's the planter that I'm going to keep it in. This planter I DIY'd, and I'll put up a video wherein I'll show you how I created this planter. It's basically a laundry basket that I converted into a planter. I have filled this planter with two big boxes and a lot of bubble wrap. This bubble wrap came in packages that I ordered. Now we're going to fill it completely and then we'll put the plant in it so that it raises the height. This is basically everything that I am going to fill this plant. Curtain time. Right now कुछ भी नहीं है. These are just linen curtains. I got these from Amazon. I'll link everything down below in the description so that you can buy if you like something from this room. I am not going to put any blackout curtains in this room because we like that morning sunlight and दिन भर इस room में sunlight रहे. So let me put these and then show you. Furniture pieces are now in. Let's quickly make the bed. Got this whitish colored bedding set to bring in that calm effect in my room. So I have this IKEA frame here. It's really huge. Has a random print in it right now. तो मैंने क्या किया? I went to a local store here, got this fabric, और मैं इस fabric को इस frame में frame करूँगी. This is how the fabric looks up close. frame is finally ready. Let me show you all how it looks. It perfectly goes with the vibe of my room, and I really like it.
I'm adding a floor lamp and a laundry basket to this side of the room.
So I wanted to talk to you all about two things. First one is books and the second one is pillows. बुक्स से स्टार्ट करते हैं. जनरली तीन टाइप के लोग होते हैं. एक जिनको बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद होता है तो दे गो अहेड एंड इन्वेस्ट इन बुक्स एंड दे रेडी टू पे दैट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. सेकंड वो जिनको बुक्स पढ़ने में कुछ खास इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता बट हाँ उनको एस्थेटिक्स के लिए दे वांट बुक्स. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ पीपल आर माई काइंड. आई रीड अ लिटिल बिट इन बुक्स और मुझे एस्थेटिक्स के लिए भी चाहिए होती हैं बट देन आई डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड दैट मच ऑफ मनी इन बाइंग दोज बुक्स. तो इस केस में second hand bookstores come into picture. This is one book that I used in my living room makeover. It's an interior designing book. It is really pretty from the inside, so I can use it as a coffee table book also. This book retails for 4,500 rupees. No, 4,800 rupees. It's written right here. But I got this just for 300 rupees. So for the bedroom makeover, I got these two books. Second thing that I want to talk to you about is pillows. आप कभी भी पिलोज की स्टाइलिंग करते हो तो ऑलवेज कीप दिस इन माइंड कि आप सेम टाइप की पिलोज साथ में मत रखो. कलर्स, पैटर्न्स, वेरिएशन इन टेक्सचर, इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए ही अपनी पिलोज की स्टाइलिंग करो. इफ यू सी हियर आई हैव अ नॉर्मल kapda and then printed pillow. This one has texture, this one has a lot of texture, but एक चीज कॉमन है कि इन सबके कलर टोन्स ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है. तो जब भी आप आपकी पिलोज की स्टाइलिंग करो कीप दीज पॉइंट्स इन माइंड. सो विद दैट बीइंग सेड ऑल द मेजर थिंग्स आर नाउ इन प्लेस. सो यू नो व्हाट टाइम इट इज. It's time for finishing touches.
I'm placing a book between the lamp and the side table to create a divide between the dark colors. I'm adding a photo frame at the side of the lamp. Again adding a book as a styling element and also to create the divide. Adding a speaker on top of the book and a nice scented candle. I love fresh flowers and these ones, they smell amazing. I'm adding pillows to this bench. This embroidery one is my favorite. Making my bed cozy with a lot of pillows.
All the finishing touches are now in. Let's take back and look how this space looked earlier. And here is the after. And that's my bedroom. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. तो मेरी एक छोटी सी थ्योरी है, आप सबके साथ शेयर करती हूँ. कोई भी बेडरूम में बहुत ज़्यादा कलर्स नहीं होने चाहिए. लाइक आपकी बेडशीट भी कलरफुल है, पिलो कवर्स भी कलरफुल है, पर्दे भी कलरफुल हैं. डोंट डू दैट, इट्स डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग. सो बेसिकली क्या होता है ना, आप कभी भी किसी रूम में आते हो और अगर वहाँ सब कुछ सूदिंग है, so your mind gets relaxed and then you're able to sleep better. So always keep a pop of colors in your bedroom. Like मेरे bedroom में this bench is a pop of color, तो उसके ऊपर the pillows are a little neutral. The bed sheet is neutral, so I added green colored of pillows to give little bit pop of colors. Curtains, maybe there is small pops of colors with those flowers. So एक balance बना के रखो. बट दैट बीइंग सेड, अगर आपको कलरफुल, बहुत कलरफुल रूम्स पसंद है तो आप टोटली वो चीज़ करो. इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. डू थिंग्स दैट मेक यू हैप्पी. आई होप यू ऑल एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. Like this video, comment down below your favorite parts in this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.